Good morning, everybody. It's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate, bringing you episode 21 of the Great California Corona Staycation Show. 3 weeks in today. Cheers, morning latte. Yummy, yummy. Gotta have my elixir, my morning elixir. So, little something you may not know about me is that I sit on the board of the Friends of Los Feliz Library. Yes, I do. The libraries are so desperate for help and people to be on their boards that I sit on the board. And I have for many years, and it's been a really wonderful experience, and I love contributing to our library. Libraries are great. You know, we think of them as just a place that you go to borrow a book, but the resources that libraries have there at the facility are really amazing, and the resources available online are incredible, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. A little fun fact about the Los Feliz Branch Library is that it sits right on the corner of Hillhurst and Franklin on a space that used to be the home of none other than Leonardo DiCaprio. Yes, Leo used to live in that location. In fact, he donated a large amount of money to, when the building was getting built, for the computer lab. That is the Leonardo DiCaprio Computer Lab, and has maintained a relationship with the library for all these years. And it's a very cool thing. It's a very LA, Los Feliz kind of cool thing. But let's talk about the library, because there are resources there for everybody. Boom, lapl.org, Los Angeles Public Library.org, okay? Highly recommend visiting that domain, that website. You can get a library card there if you don't have one. They're free. Library cards are free, you know. It is, you don't rent the book, you borrow the book. And we're going to talk about some other services. For example, online, they have tons of magazines and newspapers. In fact, you can get the New York Times and the Washington Post through the LAPL. Okay, we actually pay for a New York Times subscription, and I'm thinking, hey, wait a minute, I've got a free one right here. Okay, boom. But there are a lot of other newspapers and magazines there. I just listed those couple. Okay, they have something called Hoopla Digital. Hoopla Digital is 2,100 titles, over 2,100 titles of stuff for kids, for adults, TV shows, movies. So if you're bored of what's on Netflix or Hulu or whatever subscription you have, this is free. Hello, free as in zero cost. And you can access 2,100. Okay, they even have Beavis and Butthead. Okay, even have Beavis and Butthead. I'm so showing Gabe Beavis and Butthead and Lily, because it's funny stuff. Okay. They also have Tessa, which is their over 120,000 photos and archives of information that you can just tap into, from pictures from LA back in like 1880 and through the years. So that's super interesting. You know, we got extra time in our hands. You could literally learn a language through the online services of the public library. Okay, there you go. You can go learn a language, or you can watch endless episodes of Tiger King, which is pretty crazy. Okay, this is really important. Tutoring. Okay, your kids can get tutoring through the LA Public Library website. The portals to get to the different. This is amazing. This is like 7 days a week from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Math, English, science, social studies. The resources available there are phenomenal. The last one was my favorite. It's Ask a Librarian. Okay, Librarians are amongst the smartest people on the planet. They know everything, seriously. Pearl is the librarian over at the Los Feliz branch. One of the smartest people I've ever met on this earth, okay? And I know a lot of people. But seriously, if you have a question regarding the library, ask the librarian is there. So there you go. Check out lapl.org. Plenty of resources there for you online. Support your public library. And if you live in the Los Feliz area, stop by the Los Feliz and say hi. I'm there once a month for the board meeting. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.